What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to discuss if web development or freelance web development is really dead because AI is here. We're going to discuss why that isn't true. And then from there, we're actually going to look up small businesses in my local area, find a business that doesn't have a website. We're going to build a quick prototype website for that small business using our coding skills and a detailed AI prompt. And then we're going to try to give the business a call to see if we can sell them the website. This is the exact AI workflow that you can use to get clients and make money. Freelancing and building websites, guys, is not dead. What's up, guys? So I just want to make this video because I've been getting some messages and comments lately, and most of them are very nice, very positive, but some people seem to think that because AI is around, web developers are going to go away. Small business owners are not going to want to pay freelancers to build them websites or web applications anymore because, after all, AI can do everything, right? So all web developers are going to go away. Everything's crashing down. And guys, I'm here to tell you from personal experience that that is false and nothing could be further from the truth, okay? Especially when this comes to freelancing, working with small business owners who need websites and other services. You have to understand, guys, I've been a blue-collar worker, okay? I've worked blue-collar jobs. I've worked in warehouses before I did coding and everything. I've talked to a lot of small business owners, and you have to understand how they think and how humans think in general, like general human psychology. The small business owner, the landscaper, the plumber, the electrician, the restaurant owner, these people that own these businesses that pay for freelance services, they don't have time and they don't care enough to learn the basics of coding, of web development, hosting, DNS servers, programming. They don't have the time for that, guys. They're not interested in that. Even if having a website or a web app could greatly increase their business and make them a lot more money in the long run, they're just trying to survive the day, okay? Juan, who owns the landscaping business here in Arizona, guy, we'll just say Juan, right? He's just trying to get through that 120-degree weather that we have all summer long. He's starting his day early. He's trying to get done by 1:30, 2 o'clock at the latest. He wants to go home, have a few beers, hopefully not get into another fight with his wife, okay? Maybe take a nap, eat dinner, go to bed, and start it all the next day. He doesn't have the time and the mental bandwidth to be learning all this stuff, to have AI create all this stuff on their own, guys. Okay, you have to understand that web development, coding skills in general, as you can see right here, 0.35 to 0.60% of the world population knows web development skills. Okay, this is a very, very niche thing. This is not just because you're into it, you watch videos about the content, you're learning how to code or you know how to code. Almost nobody else knows how. In my 10 years, I've ran into one other guy who knew web development and could code, and a girl who went to college for it, but who knows if she ever graduated or if she dropped out. That's all I ever met in person. Okay, this is a very niche skill. AI is not going to change that. WordPress is not going to change that. Page builders never change that. There used to be these things when I was growing up called WYSIWYG editors. This was the first big thing. It came out for the modern web in like the early 90s, and it stands for what you see is what you get. And you can see these old images here of WYSIWYGs, okay? These have been around, and they supposedly, no code people could build HTML websites with a little bit of CSS with them, and they got better and better. But guys, has WordPress, Wix, Weebly, any of these page builders ever put web developers out of business? No, and they never will. That excuse that you guys keep making is nonsense, and it comes from fear. You are afraid to do the work. You're afraid to contact local businesses. You're afraid to get rejected. Don't let your fear stop other people and make dumb comments like that, okay? It's not a thing, and I'm going to prove it to you in this video. Right now, we're going to go find a local business here. I'm in Arizona. I'm going to find a local business without a website. We'll build the site. We'll build the prototype before we even contact them so we have something to actually show them. We'll try to make contact. Maybe they answer us. Maybe they don't. Maybe we get outright rejected. But this is the exact workflow that you can use in your spare time. You can just do this 1 or 2 hours a day. Build prototypes fast with AI and your coding skills. Blast stuff out there. Email, text, phone call, 3 or 4 businesses a day. You will eventually get people who say yes, and that's how you start building a business, building momentum. Imagine making $1,000 extra just for putting up a landing page that has an email sign-up form. I'm going to show you how to do that now. All right, guys, so right away I searched landscaping companies near me, and right away, second thing here, 4.8 stars, 148 reviews, 10 plus years in business, Paradise Landscape and Irrigation. I don't see a website for them. So let's click on this. This might be a winner right away. For a company that's been in business this long, it's kind of weird that there's no website here. So they have a lot of photos. So like, are they just relying on Google to give them all their business? Maybe. I don't see anything here. So Paradise Landscape and Irrigation. Where's their... where are they out of? I'm just going to try to see if I can find a website here. Serves Maricopa County and nearby areas. So the whole county. I don't see a website, guys. Let's see. Just search it here. Maricopa County. They don't have any web. Look at this. There's no website popping up. Okay. So 10 years, no website. Kind of weird. So who knows what we're going to get when we, let's see, here's paradiseandtree.com. Okay. That's not them, right? That's not them. Nope, it's a different phone number. So, let's see what this is. Get a quote. Do some market research really quick. So, get a quote. Okay. All right. Yeah, this isn't them. So, again, kind of weird that they don't have a website after 10 years. So, that's it. This is our target. We're going to go for these guys. I'm going to make them a rough draft with AI right now and my coding skills, and we're going to try to talk to them and see what's up. All right, guys, so here's my prompt. I'm not going to read it all verbatim, but basically what I did is I gave ChatGPT 7 images that I found from their Google reviews for their actual companies. These are their real images from their real clients, at least what I would assume to be their real clients, so I can actually put their real stuff on the version of the website to make it much more compelling when they actually look at it. I gave them source code. I gave them HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code directly into the prompt so they can see how I like my code written so that when the code comes out, if I need to change anything myself, it's in my coding conventions, how I like my stuff written, and I'll be easily able to see like what needs to change and where because it's going to be basically written in my coding language. I then gave it all of the specifics of the company that I found online, including their name. I told AI to please create a logo for them as I could not find one, so just create a logo for them. If they have one, we'll add it later. I listed all the services that they provide, and then I told it to basically, I gave it more information like their phone number, their business hours, where they serve, 10 plus years in service, blah, blah, blah. I told them to make a features and benefits area, an FAQ area, and any other area, industry standard things that landscaping company landing pages have. So you can pause the video, read through my whole prompt if you want to, but we're going to go ahead and hit send the prompt, see what we get, and go from there. This video is brought to you guys by the No BS Roadmap for Web Development. Guys, check the link in the description. I made a whole entire free ebook for you guys that will tell you exactly what you need to learn of each coding language, how much to learn of each coding language, and when to and how to merge with AI to do the modern AI workflows. This guide will help get you making money and applying to jobs quickly. Download it now, follow the guide, follow my weekly plan, and you'll be set up for success. This video is also brought to you by Prompt Build Ship. This is my flagship course that will teach you HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL database from scratch. Not only that, you'll get all of your coding foundations and learn them by building 20 plus projects with me in the 50-hour curriculum. I'll also teach you how to build modern websites and web applications using AI in your coding foundations knowledge. I'll give you a free ebook that will give you prompts and source code that you can give to your favorite AI chatbot to quickly have websites and web applications created for you in minutes. And I'll also show you how to build your developer brand to become known online, whether you want to get a job as a full-time developer or attract freelance clients and build your empire. This is for you. Click Enroll Now. You can click each individual course within the bundle and see the curriculum for each one. All right, guys, let's get back to the video. All right, guys, so here we go. Let's see what it gave us here. It gave us one version with PHP because I asked for a quote area on the website, so it gave us like the full working quote area, but I don't really want that yet. I just want the front end, so I just said, hey, just give me the front end. We can do all that other stuff if they actually want the website later. So let's download it. I'm going to launch this in Visual Studio Code, and we'll see what this website looks like. Let's drag our project in here. Okay, let me just look at the code, do a little bit of a code review really quickly. Okay, good. It's gonna have mobile nav. It's got my code just how I like to write it. Section, services section. Okay, looks very familiar to my code, which is exactly what I wanted. They made it more semantic. We have article tags in here. My code isn't that semantic, so that's kind of an upgrade to what I usually do. But that looks good. How about the CSS? Okay, very good. Looks like my CSS. But my media queries, yep, that's exactly how I do it. App.js, oh, we're using var, interesting. So maybe I might want to change that to let and const, but whatever, doesn't matter. I usually don't use var, so I don't know why I used var, but not a big deal. Okay, so let's go live and see what we got here. Moment of truth. Wow, so here we are, guys. It's got their actual phone number in here. Their hours of operation, at least of what's on Google. Got a nice hero image area. And again, this image is really stuff that they've done before. See, we got get a free quote. Okay, let's just start at the top. This is going to use smooth scroll, which is cool. Call now. Okay, call now button. 10 years in business, 100 positive Google reviews, serving Maricopa County, AZ. Good. And then again, this is their real images that I took from Google. So you can see they duplicated some of the images here just because I only give it 7 images. So that's something that you can just tell the person, like, yo, in the future we'll add different images here. I just want to grab a few images that you did of your real work. Here it is. We can swap any images out for what you want there. This is just a prototype to show you what can be done. All right, look at this. Water Smart Arizona Solutions, Boost Curb Appeal. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this copy. And again, this is partly AI, and this is partly me, my coding skills. I gave it a lot of source code. I gave it a lot to work with, okay? Again, your average guy, Joe the plumber, is not going to give it what I gave it. It's not going to, damn sure going to give it source code. Look at that. It's not going to give it all this details and everything that I requested. So look at this, guys. Amazing. Okay, so let's check out the FAQs. Look at that, guys. Now, question is, so we have the quote thing here. Select a service. Email, zip. So this is lead generation, which is what every business really, really wants. This is like worth the whole price of the website they're going to pay you for, is this right here. This is how they get business. All right, good. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. So again, this will take us back up. In this area, we could add like a link to the Google reviews area if we wanted to in the future, if that's what they want. All right, is this mobile responsive? Looks like it is to me. Very cool. Yep, this is tablet size right here. This is like a larger tablet. Images are looking good. All right, guys, so this passes my sniff test. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch this online on Netlify for free with just a Netlify domain. Everything's going to be for free, so I have a working link that I can actually send these people when I contact them if I even get that far. And then I can also send them, like an image mock-up of the website attached to the email. But I want to try to get them on the phone before I do any of that, but still. So I'm going to go ahead and do this now. So, all right, guys, so I got this uploaded to GitHub. Now let's go ahead and launch it on Netlify. So I have a live working something to show if I need to show it. And like, dude, you can do freelance websites for people, guys, if they don't require back-end stuff and just literally put them on Netlify, honestly. Like, I've done it before. Like, Netlify, as long as the website's not going to get massive traffic, you could literally do that. What is this again? Dude, I just forgot the name of it. Paradise Landscape Irrigation. Project deploy in progress. Boom. There it is, live on the net. Okay? So let's try to get in contact with them. I don't see an email here. I would usually like to just like shoot an email and then call them. do both, but like shoot an email to them if I can. I don't see any emails here, so whatever. We'll try to give them a call, see if anybody answers and what they say, and then while I'm on the call with them, I can say, hey, if you can send me an email, we'll get you a mock-up sent. I actually have like a live mock-up online right now, and I can also send you a full like image of it. If you want to look at what the prototype looks like, and if you want to move forward, you can just let me know. I'm not going to hard sell them. This isn't Wolf of Wall Street. You don't hard sell people and shove them into a corner. If they want it, they want it. They see the value. If they don't, they don't. And then you just move on. So let's go ahead and give them a call. Not looking good.
Please leave your message for 60229.
All right, so no answer. So we'll try again tomorrow. It is a Sunday, but it does say they're open 7 days a week. So maybe they're lying. Maybe this company's out of business and that's why they don't have a website. But we'll go ahead. I'm going to wrap up this video. I'll do a follow-up. I'll try to get in contact with this company again. I don't have any way to email them or anything. But this is it, guys. Like, this is the workflow. This is literally what I just showed you. This took me, not counting, if I didn't have to record the video and explain things to you guys, this would have taken me 20 minutes tops. And that's including dialing that phone. Okay, no, you know what, 25, 30 minutes tops. So you figure you do this, I don't know, you probably have, even if you just dedicate 2 or 3 hours a day to doing this and trying to call people, build prototypes and get leads, you can very easily knock out 4, 5, 6 of these a day. Call businesses, better yet, if they have an email, you can email them as well. Blast everything out, make these quick prototypes using AI, and that's how you do it, and that's how you make money. You charge $500 here, $750, $1,000, and this is how it's done. Unfortunately, we couldn't get in contact with that company today, but I will keep you guys posted. I'll make another video and I'll update the comments of this video if I ever did reach them. But this will be the first. I'm going to do this with several different local companies here, and this is the first video of it. But I'm just going to show you guys, like, yes, web development is a real thing. This is a real workflow. You're going to get a lot of no's. You're going to get a lot of people that just don't answer when they say they will. But you got to keep going. It's just a numbers game, guys. Like, 1 or 2 people out of 10 people are eventually going to pick up, and 1 out of 10 is usually going to say yes. Just like dating, asking out hot chicks, man. You're going to get rejected by 9 of them, but that 10th one is going to say yes, and you're going to get a date. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. So, major update, guys. About an hour later, they sent me a text message. So maybe they were just afraid to talk on the phone. Who knows what it is, guys. People don't like to talk on the phone nowadays. Everything is text. But they said, hi there, did you need your help? And then I went ahead and responded with, hey, man, I already made you a website, basically. I took the images that I found on Google. I saw that you had really good reviews, but no website. Here's the link. So they can click the link, view what I made them, deploy it on Netlify. And then I just followed up with, hey, by the way, my name is Nick. I am a real dude. I teach web development and coding skills on YouTube, and I dropped my YouTube channel link so that just goes a long way with credibility. So they can actually click that and see me right away and be like, oh, shit, this is a real guy. Because, like, you know, how many spamming texts do you get a day? A lot. I get several every week that are just nonsense. So we got the YouTube channel link. We got a link to the website that I built them so they can open that up right away and view it and be like, holy shit, this is amazing. But yeah, I don't know what's going to happen from here. I'm going to go ahead and post this video on YouTube. If they end up being a paying client, go ahead and check the comments. I'll update the comment section with a pinned comment, knowing what the outcome of this was.